Okay. I've just applied my Umgalelo Products on my precious face. I've seen tremendous results from this product. You know, my acne is gone, black spots are gone, and my skin feels so soft. It feels so fresh. It feels so good. They've rejuvenated my skin, whatever that word is, but they actually do work wonders on my skin. I'm just so much loving them. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click on the red subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to show how to take good care of your facial skin. Umgalelo soup. You see on this side where that is old particles that go If you like to try this Umgalelo product, I bet you got to order them from nearest distributors, but you can check my referral link in the description box below, and you register, you buy your own Umgalelo products. You see, I don't need to use much on my face. I just use the soap with my hands, not how I need it. It will make your face, you know, the skin, the facial skin It's so sensitive, so you have to be extra gentle with it. Don't forget your neck. Don't forget your neck, because we don't want to see you looking good on the face, and the neck is a no. Okay. One other thing: avoid using too much products on your facial skin. You heard me, girl. Done with this. Okay. Thank you, and thank you for watching until the end. If you want to see this face more often, go on and click that red subscribe button. You know, be part of the family. What are you waiting for? Thank you.